Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video. Not only is it to show you our new releases, but we've completely redone our weekly kit format. I think it's heaps better, I think it's a lot more functional, and we really needed to, I don't know, mix things up a little bit because it had been a while since we had done any changes. So there's two kits coming out this week. One is called Happily Ever After, which is more of a wedding kit. I love the colours, and yeah, I think it's turned out really well. I worked really hard on it, so I'm excited to show you that. And then the other one is a fitness kit. But I thought just before I go through and show you I'll go through and show you the kits with the new format, and I've got our old format kits here just to show you the difference. So the new formats are now only 7 pages rather than 8, but you pretty much get the same amount of stickers in there minus a few little thing stickers. So I think and they're going to be a bit cheaper, the kits, so I think overall it works well for everyone. So I'll just go through the first kit, which is our Happily Ever After. So for this is so you still get the functional kits where you purchase the 2 sheets, so you get a full functional kit, and then everything else is still available a la carte. I apologise for my nails, I haven't had time to get them done. So for the first new sheets, this is your first sheet of the functional, so you still get, and I'll pop this, as you can see we've now put it vertically, the page, because I felt that you definitely do get a lot more stickers when you put it vertical. So you still get your 8-heart checklists, you get your sidebar sticker, you get your appointment labels, your habit trackers, your flags, your icons, your bilges are just on the next sheet, and then you've got your hearts, your drawing pins, your teardrops, and all the same thing. And then what we've added onto this page is your sidebar headers, so you've got like the daily habits, work, this week, etc. Because what we've basically done is gotten rid of the headers and little things full page, because after feedback from everyone, not many people were utilizing that page as a whole, so I think this will be better overall. So that's your first page of the functional kit, and then the next page looks like this, and this is the old one. So you've still got your to-do and today headers, you've got your 2 weekend banners, you've got your glitter headers, your little appointment labels, all of your icons, and then we've just added the bill dues onto this sheet, so you're still getting them when you purchase the functional kit. So that is the second sheet. Then the full boxes. These are the gorgeous full boxes for the Happily Ever After kit. So you've got, you know, like a bouquet of flowers, table setting, some chairs. This says home is wherever I'm with you. You've got like a little getting ready box, cake, a bride, these little love balloons, and then this little like invitation or writing vows. And then in the bottom here you've got block headers. So as you can see, we now have 9 full boxes instead of just 8, which you received before, which I'm really happy about. I think it gives more choice and allows the kit to really shine when you've got 9 full boxes. And then these are all headers that you can always use on top of the boxes, or really as a replacement for some of the little things, and you can just put an icon on there to denote whatever it is you want to plan. So yeah, that's the full boxes. And then the next sheet are your to-do full boxes. So again, you've still got your 8 full boxes like you did before, sorry, to-do boxes, but you also now get a second sidebar tracker and also more appointment labels. So you're basically getting a ton more on the to-do boxes sheet. So that's that sheet. Then your half boxes, again, we've put 2 more quarter boxes on the top. Now you get 3, 6, 9, 12, you get 3, 6, 9, 12. So you get the same amount of half boxes, and then you get your little things down here. So you've still got 12 little things here as well. You've got your meal icons, some asterisks, and some alarm clocks. So again, getting more on that sheet. Then this in our old kits is the sheet that's no longer available, but you do have these headers now on the functional kits, and you get the little things on the other kits. So I think that's a really good way of kind of fitting everything else, but on 7 sheets rather than on 8 sheets. So then this is your washi sheet. So you get your bottom washi still, and just with this kit, I've added 2 more full boxes just to make sure we got all of the skin tones in for the bride. And then these are still your washi strips, but then on all other kits, these will be washi strips as well. And then finally, your date covers and deco, and again, it's the same. This is the old sheet, so I think I've actually managed to fit a little bit more deco in as well. So that is the difference. So I hope you guys like the new format. I'm really happy with it. So that is the new format. I really hope you guys like this new layout. I think it's a lot more functional. You get the same amount of stickers on only 7 sheets, and I think I've provided a lot more functional stickers, like more quarter boxes and more appointment labels, and then an extra sidebar full box. So yeah, so that is the happily ever after kit, and then of course it comes in the normal personal size as well. You've just got your 4 full boxes, and then all of the other regular things, some headers, little things, heart checklist, habit tracker, all of that. So that's it in the personal. And then our next kit is called Work It Out, and it's more of like a fitness, health, motivation kit that I've been working on for a while. So again, this is in the new format, so it's got some really nice like pinks and mint green and navy colors. So you've got your 8 heart checklist, sidebar box, then all of your appointment labels, sidebar headers, habit trackers, little post-it note stickers, drawing pins and icons. Then the next sheet, again, you've got your to-do, today and glitter headers. Then you've got your appointment labels, bill dues, 2 weekend banners, and all of your icons. Then again, your 9 full boxes. So you've just got some really nice kind of motivational drawings, I think. So, you know, some really healthy food and some workout gear and yoga mats and all of that good stuff. Hopefully it'll keep us all motivated. So that's all of your 9 full boxes. Again, your to-do boxes, and then that extra weekly sidebar and some more appointment labels. Then your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. And then your bottom washi, and then your washi strips all across here. And then your deco and date covers. And again, I think I've managed to fit a lot more deco up there. So that's the fitness kit, and then also it comes in the personal size as usual. So you've got your side washi, your 4 full boxes, and everything else. It's just a mini size of the kit. And then as well as the 2 kits, we've also got to match in with the wedding kit and theme. This is a sheet which is wedding planning icons. Zoom in. So I've done a sort of functional icon sheet if you're planning for your wedding. It's just got all the little things that you need to plan for. So it's got, you know, the first one says, I said yes, and then it's got engagement party, bridal shower, hair trial, book music, flowers, bridesmaids dresses, makeup trial, cake tasting, order rings, book photographer. You've got your dress fittings, book venue, honeymoon, invitations, and then a just married banner, and then a big a sticker for wedding day. And then I've just popped a little bit of deco around as well, because I think you could always pop that around different things that you're organising. So I really like how that turned out. I hope you guys like that too. And then finally, we also have a set of die cuts that are wedding themed. So I thought if you've got a section in your planner for wedding stuff and wedding organising and planning, then this might be nice to kind of decorate that section with. So you've just got the love balloons, some gorgeous shoes, a little ring, just a gorgeous peony, a champagne bottle, and then the wedding cake. So that is all of the new releases that are out this week. It's Friday when I'm posting this, and they're out this Saturday, the 30th of June. I hope you guys like that, and I hope you like the new format. Please let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your feedback, and until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye.